guys, we are going to learn how to check the insights of a Facebook page. Now, why checking insights is very much important? Because through insights we can understand which posts are being liked by people, which posts are having interest, means what kind of interest people are showing in which kind of post, then where the data of our followers may be, what age group they belong to, what gender they belong to, from where they are located, and all such information we can get through our insights. Now let us understand how can we go through insights and access all this data. The first thing you need to do is you have to open your Facebook page. So now I have opened my Facebook page. On the left hand side you will find the option called Inside. On the left hand side there is a menu bar where you will find the option Inside. Can you see your insights? I am going to click on this option called Insights. Now what I need to do in Insights is I'll go through all the data which is seen to me, and I'll find how can I grow my data, how can I grow my business using this data. Now I have created the page now itself, so there is no much data for me to show you now, but I'll tell you how can you get this data. Okay, firstly, action on page. What action on page means, we had seen a button, okay, when we created the cover image, there was a button, add a button option there, where we can give sign up, contact us. So who all have actually clicked on that button and have taken an action, that data will get an action on page. Page views, how many people have seen, how many times this post have been seen, that is page view. Page preview. Now page likes means how many people have liked our page. And do you know one thing? When anyone likes your page, I'm not talking about post, when anyone likes your page, then they automatically start following you. Okay, means when anyone likes your page, they become your followers. But if anyone started following you, that doesn't mean that they have liked your page. But if they have liked the page, they automatically start following you. Okay, and let us see more data. Now post engagement, how many number of engagement have we got? Okay, that is given here. Videos, how many videos have we shared? Page followers. Orders means what, we had given that order data. So what all things, this is all about the insight. Now on the left hand side we have a option, okay, we can filter it out. This is all the overview. Now we can filter the data what we want, exactly what do we want, and we also have an option to choose the days. Now this is the data of the last 7 days. You can choose last 28 days, last 7 days, yesterday, today. So you want so what period of time, okay, of what period of time do you want the data, you can access it over here. Now if you want to export your data, then on the right hand side you will find a table, you will find the option called export data, from where you can export your data. So I'll click on this export data. Then data type, do I want to page data, key page metrics for engagement, post data, video data, what do I exactly want to export data? Okay, then which file format, through which file format I want to send that data, and data range, from where to when I want to send that data, the insight data, and the layout. Okay, all page data, edit all page, make a new custom layout. It's all depend on us how we want to export our data. So with export data we can export our data. with page summary, here we have the option of seeing the last 7 days, last 28 days, yesterday, today, which insight data you want to have a view at. And here you have an option of seeing the number of followers. In followers, you'll get the type, means what kind of customers, what kind of followers are following you, their gender, their age group, and so on. But I don't have followers yet, so I can't show you. If you go in followers here, so you'll get the data all over here. Okay, now read how many people have your post have reached, how many people, the data you will get here. Okay, see, so you will get the data over here at read. Page views, how many people have seen your page, that you will get here. And then likes, you will get how many people have liked your post. So through likes you can understand which kind of posts, which kind of videos are being liked by people, so you can make that kind of videos and post again, so that you increase your likes. Okay, now post, videos, stories, messages, orders, we'll get a data of all these kinds over here. So through insight you can help your business to grow up. You can understand what kind of posts are being liked by people, what interest they are showing, in which post people are showing more number of engagement, so that I can put such data. So insight is a very great tool for us, so that we can keep an eye on our own business, like what is working and what is not working, where we are going wrong. We can also understand at what time people are liking it up. Okay, so at that time only we can put a post. Okay, in the week, which day of the week they are more active at. So all this data we can get on our own insight, and it is very much easy, guys. What you need to do is go in your Facebook page and go in insight, and you'll get all this data. So try it, guys. It is very much easy. Go in Facebook page, go in insight, go which kind of data do you want. Do you want likes, reach, followers, page views, all kind of data, all kind of insight you will get just on your Facebook page itself.